Hey everyone, it's Pat and Yumi and welcome back. Today, we'll show you how to do Hatsumode, the first shrine visit of the year in Japan. We are at Yamanaka Suwa Shrine, a peaceful place with a stunning view of Mount Fuji. In this video, we'll go through what to do at the shrine, how to draw Omikuji and buy lucky charms, and of course, we'll take in the beautiful views of Lake Yamanakako and Mount Fuji. Let's go! On the way to the shrine, you'll be treated to some stunning views of Mount Fuji, like this one. Seeing the mountain up close, especially in winter when it's capped with snow, is an amazing experience. If you're in the area, be sure to take a moment to appreciate the beauty of Mount Fuji. It's truly one of the most iconic sights in Japan. The Fujiyoshida and Fuji 5 Lakes regions offer some of the best panoramic views of the mountain, each offering its own unique perspective. As you drive, you'll pass through forests with trees that have lost their leaves, a clear sign that it is winter here. So be sure to wear warm clothes as the temperature can be quite chilly, especially near the lakes. Layering up with a good jacket, scarf, and gloves is a good idea to stay comfortable while enjoying the views. It's always better to be prepared for the cold so you can fully enjoy the beauty of the season without feeling the chill. Before heading to the shrine, here's a quick tip. Winter in Japan can be really cold. A hot drink from the convenience stores will keep you warm and make your visit more comfortable. What do you have?
Coffee full time
Why? It is cold today. Go. Walking towards the temple was really nice. The street was empty, creating a relaxed and peaceful vibe. On the way to the shrine, you can see Mount Fuji, making the experience even more special. So take a moment and appreciate the scenery. Well, that's Mount Fuji standing majestically behind us. And in this clear winter air, you can see every detail of its snow-capped peak. So what's Hatsumode? It's the first shrine visit of the year, usually done in early January. People come to pray for good fortune, health, and success in the new year. Some visit on January 1st, while others come within the first few days of the year. It's a way to start fresh and seek blessings for the months ahead. This is Yamanaka Suwa Shrine. It's small, quiet, and has a special focus on health and safe childbirth. This shrine has a calm and peaceful atmosphere, perfect for reflection and a more personal experience. Before entering, there are a few important steps to follow to show respect and properly experience Hatsumode. Step 1 is purification. Before praying, visitors wash their hands at the shrine's water basin called temuziya. A temuziya is a stone pavilion found at the entrance of Shinto shrines where water flows from a spout into a basin. The temuziya here was freezing cold, and at the bottom part was even frozen. Despite the cold, it is an important step to purify yourself and show respect before entering the shrine. Step 2 is prayer. Walk up to the offering box, throw in a coin. 5 yen is ideal since it sounds like good faith in Japanese. Bow twice, clap your hands twice, close your eyes, and make your wish, then bow once more. This is the traditional way to pray at a Shinto shrine. These wooden blocks are called emas. This is where visitors write their wishes and prayers. Many people write hopes for good health, success, or family happiness. Since this shrine is dedicated to health and childbirth, you'll see many wishes related to safe pregnancy and healthy babies. Some shrines have sacred objects believed to bring good fortune. Here, we have a sacred rock and a wooden log. These are often linked to spiritual energy and protection. Well, we haven't completed our visit yet. Let's explore more of the shrine grounds. By the way, if you have time, there's a peaceful trail that goes through the woods where you can enjoy seasonal flowers. Exploring this nature-filled path is a perfect way to relax after visiting the shrine. The moss-covered statues here show how old and well-preserved the shrine is. Over time, nature adds its own touch to these places, making them even more beautiful. Walking in winter can be tricky, so be careful. The stone pathways tend to get icy and slippery when frozen, especially in shaded areas. Take your time and watch your step to avoid slipping. Many shrines have multiple buildings for different deities. On this side, we can see snow covering the ground, adding to the winter atmosphere. Even though there wasn't a lot, it was still fun to walk on the snow and feel it crunch under our feet. The Tamizuya here is covered in even more ice than the first one. Tamizuyas have dragon designs because it symbolizes protection and water purity, representing the sacred flow of water used for purification. This scenery here is just incredible. Seeing Mount Fuji behind the trees makes this visit even more special. The shrine holds golden artifacts like sacred mirrors, pagoda ornaments, and ritual bells, symbolizing divine presence and used in Shinto ceremonies. In this shrine, you can find Ishidoro, which are traditional stone lanterns often placed along paths or near shrine buildings. These lanterns are typically made of granite and have been used in Japanese shrines and temples for centuries as offerings and to guide worshippers. These are komainu, the lion dog guardians. Together, they symbolize the cycle of life and serve as guardians of the shrine. One has its mouth open, representing A, the beginning, and the other has it closed, representing the end. In some Suwa shrines, like this shrine, they have this komainu with a cub. This unique depiction aligns with the shrine's protective role, ensuring the safety of visitors and their families. Step 4 is Omikuji. For 100 yen, you can draw a fortune slip that predicts your luck for the year. If you receive a bad luck, tie it to a tree to leave the misfortune behind. Omikuji ranks range from Daikichi, great luck, to Kyo, bad luck. At first, we were a bit worried, thinking we might have gotten a bad fortune. But luckily, we didn't. My wife got Chukichi, the second best luck, and I got Shokichi, the third best. Not a bad way to start the year. Step 5 is omamori. These charms provide protection for health, family, and success. Each charm has a different purpose, and many people buy them at the start of the year. Omamori are not to be opened, as doing so is believed to release their protective power. They should be carried regularly attached to bags, wallets, or keychains. Traditionally, omamori are replaced yearly at the shrine to renew their blessings. After visiting the shrine, we went to the lake. The wind was chilly, but the peaceful atmosphere made it a perfect place to relax. We saw many tourists and visitors enjoying the scenery, taking photos, and soaking in the beauty of the lake. After that, we drove to the other side of the lake for a different view of Mount Fuji. From there, we could see its full snow-capped peak, which was absolutely stunning. We had hoped to capture a reflection of the mountain in the lake, but by then, the wind had picked up, creating small waves that made it impossible. Still, the sight of Mount Fuji standing tall against the winter sky was truly breathtaking. And that's how you experience Hatsumode, the first shrine visit of the year. From purifying yourself and offering prayers, to drawing Omikuji fortunes, picking up lucky charms, and enjoying stunning views of the Lake Yamanakako and Mount Fuji. It's the perfect way to kick off the year. Now you know all the steps to start the year with blessings. Thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on our next adventure. See you next time.